Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Taya here. Today we're going to be making sesame chicken. If you're interested in this recipe, grab your pots, grab your pans, and let's get right into the video. So making sesame chicken is pretty easy. It just takes a few tricks to get the crispy chicken that we love. First, we're seasoning our chicken, and then we're gonna go ahead and sift our dry ingredients and then whisk it. Then we're gonna put our egg mixture, mix it up with our chicken, and basically combine our chicken with our dry ingredients. And then we're gonna set that aside, and then we're gonna get into frying our chicken. This is where the trick really is, so just stick around for that. If you're enjoying the video so far, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Make sure our oil is pretty hot, and the temperature I went for here was 168 degrees Celsius. And then we're gonna go ahead and add about half of the chicken that I seasoned. Then we're just gonna fry that till they're just like a nice crisp. And then we're gonna take that off the stove, fry the other set. We're just gonna let it rest. After frying that, we're gonna let our oil get really hot again. We're gonna fry them a second time. That is the trick to getting really nice crispy chicken. You have to double fry it. It comes out perfect every time, and it stays really crispy for a long time. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix our sauce that we're gonna use to coat our chicken in, and toss the chicken into the sauce, mix it all together, sprinkle some sesame seeds and some green onions, and that's it. It's that easy. You can do this meal during a weeknight. It's super easy. This is absolutely delicious. It's really easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share, and also let's chat in the comment section, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see next. I really appreciate you guys. Have a great day and stay safe.